we are going to discuss about the factors affecting construction quality. So there are various factors that affects construction quality, which is listed here, like important factors like conformance to codes and standards, top management support, interaction among participants, equipment, design, materials, financial issues, communication, selection of designer, selection of contractor, on-site supervisions, project size and complexity, management factors, and contract documents. So these are the different important factors that directly influence the construction quality. So we can say a lot of factors listed here. So we are going to discuss some important factors in detail. Okay. Example, you can start with conformance to codes and standards. One of the very important factors for contractors, because the factor is important for the satisfaction of the owner. Okay, so whenever we do involved in the projects, like we have to make sure that it matches some codes and standards. So when you don't match the standards, when the quality is not up to the standards, then you can say that the overall project quality is not being achieved properly in the construction project. The owner usually tries to execute the project according to the certain standards. The standards may be IS code or PIS or some NBC, something like that. This factor is very important for contractors, especially because this factor is strongly related to customer satisfaction. So customers, if they don't feel that they have quality product, then they won't buy the particular product. Okay, so here this factor is very important. So top management support, this is very essential for achieving desired quality. So the privilege of top management is to establish all policy issues and controls. In addition, the top management can organize training program for human resources involved in the project. They have major role in play to identifying the project manager. So it is very clear that top management can control all key factors. That is why their support is highly desirable for quality complaints. So interaction among project participants. Every project involves interaction between different project participants. So the participants include the internal participants such as contractor team members as well as external team members, as various contractors and suppliers. So most of the activities that are needed for understanding of the needs of the others. There are cases where quality of project suffers due to lack of good interaction between the participants. So we need to have proper interaction between different project participants, starting with the owner, designer, engineer. Okay, so the contractor, they have to have proper interaction. They have to have proper communication. Only then all those things will happen effective way. So whenever there is a proper communication, there will proper understanding will be there. So they know what is needed from the project. So work will be done in an effective way. So the project won't be get affected. So when there is no lack of interaction, then when there is a lack of interaction, then the quality is directly affected. Okay, so this fact is more clear that one carries out project that involves several categories of work. Say, for example, civil works, electrical works, mechanical works, HVAC, or building automation, etc. The coordination capacity and positive attitude of project participants are great assets in such circumstances. So whenever they have proper coordination and no positive attitude, then it directly affects the quality. Okay, so it is very great asset. One can say a short and informal communication line and regular meetings for building control between project teams further support the achieving desired quality level. So they have to have proper communication, like regular meetings or you know uh, toolbox talks, like something like that. Okay, so we have to organize such things inside the project during the project. Coordination is very important for successful project because coordination between different departments has failed. This can lead to incorrect implementation or influence the order of work. So the next important factor is equipment. To increase work efficiency, it's essential for construction industry to be aware of different types of equipment and their specific applications, including initiating and promoting work improvement. So we need to know different types of equipment and their characteristics applications. Okay. So whenever you know those things, Only then we can, provide certain equipments to different certain jobs. So when you provide some equipment to some other job, not needed or necessary required, so it decreases the efficiency, and at the same time it decreases. I mean, it affects the quality of the work. Okay, the equipment work products have more quality than manual work, and the speed of work is higher for equipment than for manual use. So this factor is very significant for contractors. Whenever the contractors will have some timeline to complete the projects, they try to complete the projects whenever they have proper equipment provided inside the projects. These activities in projects where the scale is large, the work quickly and timely completion of work with quality control are very much essential. Financial issues. This is more important factor that is major that have major impact on the construction project and on very type of work where contractor has to plan to make financial payment to eliminate the risk as this could affect the project. The financial power of contractor plays a pivotal role in completing the project on time and with the stated performance requirements. So the power, I mean the financial power means how much money the contractor will have to complete the project. That is, sometimes the contractor will place, will take responsibility in providing, I mean, completing the project. So the financial issues may come during any point of time. So the financial problems or lack of cash flow will directly affect the progress of construction. So this could result in the, affecting the quality of construction projects. Communications. Communication, the construction site was sometimes located in rural areas or away from the community. It can be a cost that hampered transportation and cost delays. So it was a limitation that contact person had to consider. So the material is also one plays a important role. It has an important role in the creation of anything. Good material used for construction provides the best quality construction work. Quality materials provides a robust and durable construction. Quality materials are essential to obtain quality results. Use of better quality materials provides safety, sustainability, durability, resistance, etc. So we need to have proper good quality material. So whenever we provide good quality material, it results the best quality construction work. Okay, we cannot say only equipments and labors are very important. We should also concentrate on material. Okay, so the quality improvement barriers. So we can say such. The following barriers are very much important. Okay, whenever we try to implement quality in construction, so the certain barriers like lack of time to develop quality initiatives, poor intra-organizational communication, lack of employee trust in senior management. These are very important, barriers, challenges, political issue, turf issue, lack of strong motivation. So that is also one, you know, significant barrier. So motivation between different participants inside the projects. So when they don't have proper motivation, then they don't adopt such quality policies in the projects. Lack of leaderships, okay, all those things are very much important barriers in quality, okay, implementation. Lack of customer focus, lack of company-wide definitions of quality, drive for short-term financial results, view of quality program as a quick fix. So we should not say that quality is a very short-term thing, or a short-term result, a short-term thing that we should carry out in a project. Quality should is a long-term thing. Okay, it's not a quick fix. So lack of formalized strategy plan for change. These are the different barriers for implementing quality in construction projects, right? So, so this is the reference I've taken for preparing this lecture. Thank you.